Do you ever wonder what separates millionaires from everyone else? It's not just luck or inheritance, it's their habits. Hi, I'm Jax Calder, a qualified accountant and content creator. In this video, I'm sharing 6 millionaire habits that completely transform my life. The best part? These habits helped me double my income, become more productive, and stop wasting time on the wrong things. And here's the thing, you don't need $1 million to start using them. Let's dive in. Habit 1, start your day with purpose. This is the one habit that all high achievers swear by. Starting the day with intention. Instead of waking up and jumping straight into emails or social media, take 15 minutes to focus on your priorities. I call this the Power 3. Take YouTube as example. First, set one big goal for the day. For example, film and edit the next video for your channel. Second, identify one action to progress a long-term goal. For instance, research trending topics in your niche to improve your video strategy for the next month. Third, acknowledge one thing you're grateful for. Maybe it's the feedback and engagement you've received from your subscribers. For me, this habit turned chaotic mornings into focused, productive days. Remember, how you start your day sets the tone for everything else. Habit 2, build a growth-oriented network. There's a saying, show me your friends, and I'll show you your future. It turns out, this isn't just a motivational quote. There's science behind it. I came across a study that found people are more likely to increase their wealth if they surround themselves with others who are financially successful. The study showed that the financial habits and attitudes of close friends and family members directly influence an individual's wealth-building behavior. If your close circle values saving, investing, and entrepreneurship, you're more likely to adopt those same behaviors and achieve similar financial success. Because your network shapes your norms, what you see as acceptable behavior. This doesn't just apply to wealth, it affects your health and happiness too. Millionaires are deliberate about the company they keep. They seek out people who inspire, challenge, and uplift them. So, take a hard look at your circle. Are they pushing you toward your goals or holding you back? Remember, your network is your net worth. Habit 3, the 1% rule. Big changes don't happen overnight. That's where the 1% rule comes in. It's all about committing to small, consistent improvements every day. Let's say you're starting your fitness journey and want to build a consistent workout routine. Instead of overwhelming yourself with intense hours at the gym, apply the 1% rule. Commit to just 20 minutes of exercise a day. It could be a quick home workout, a gym session, or even a jog around the block. These tiny shifts compound over time, leading to massive results. And the best part? It feels effortless when you focus on one small improvement at a time. Habit 4, avoid FOMO. FOMO, the fear of missing out, is a trap that can derail even the most ambitious plans. We're constantly bombarded with images of people living their best lives. It's easy to feel like you're falling behind if you're not partying, traveling, or buying the latest gadget. But here's the truth. Those moments are fleeting. Sacrificing your time and energy for them can cost you your long-term goals. Napoleon Hill said it best in his book, The Law of Success. The starting point of all achievement and failure is desire. Every time I feel FOMO creeping in, I remind myself of my bigger goals. It's okay to enjoy life, but don't let it distract you from the life you're building. Habit 5, focus on solutions, not problems. When faced with challenges, successful people make a mindset shift. Instead of fixating on why something won't work, they ask, how can I make this work for me? This habit changed everything for me. For example, when I faced setbacks in my career, I didn't dwell on the obstacles. Instead, I focused on actionable steps to move forward. Remember, every problem has a solution. The more time you spend solving instead of worrying, the faster you'll see results. Habit 6, invest your time wisely. Time is a limited resource, and unlike money, you can't earn it back. Successful people understand this and make every moment count. Start by mastering time management. Plan your day with to-do lists, prioritize tasks that align with your goals, and don't hesitate to say no to distractions. Every time you say no to binge watching or endless scrolling, you're saying yes to something that truly matters. Whether it's learning a new skill, building a business, or improving yourself. Think of time as a precious investment. By spending it intentionally, you create opportunities for growth and success that compound over time. Protect your time, use it wisely, and watch how it transforms your future. Those are the 6 millionaire habits that changed my life, and I know they can change yours too. Which habit resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more actionable tips. Remember, success starts with your daily habits. See you in the next video.